All right, welcome back to OnSite with Mike Bosch. We're here at our Burlington basement project. This is the project where we were here earlier and we said we were going to move the stairs from the center of this kitchen dining area right to the side wall to get them out of the way for a proper dining seating area in the kitchen. We're done now. The stairs were there, they're now here. We've also added a feature wall and painted it a different color than all the rest of the walls. In the process of moving the stairs, there's mechanicals, HVAC, plumbing that needs to be rerouted. Here you can see we have a supply air grill, and far enough away from the supply air grill is the return air that was relocated for the main floor. These are custom grills cut into the floor as discreet as possible. Come on downstairs and we'll have a look at the finishes. Here we are in the basement. Right here we have the completed egress window. You're able to get out of this window in case of an emergency for whatever reason. We have conduit in the wall so that you can put up a TV, a flat screen, and have components below, and you can run your wires through these holes so you don't see them dangling from the fireplace. Over here, we have a solid insulated door, and beyond this door is the cold cellar. You should always have a solid insulated door, non-organic, in a basement where there is a cold cellar so that we don't grow mold on the inside. The door is completely sealed so that none of the cold air from the fruit cellar comes into the basement. Over here in the bedroom, very simple yet extremely functional. Closet with a shelf inside. And we have two windows. Both windows can be opened and they bring in tons of light. Here we are in the finished laundry room. Sink basin, washer, dryer. Beyond the door is the unfinished mechanical room, and then we also have lots of space for hanging clothes and doing any ironing or things like that you might need to do in here. If you're looking to have your basement finished professionally in the future, check us out at boschservices.com.